Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and in good health. Welcome back to your today's English class. In the previous class, we started with Unit 4, yes, and we started with the chapter An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So we had half of the chapter remaining, right? So let us continue from that page. So all of you, page number 48, and we have completed 4th paragraph, yes, and we had to start from the 5th paragraph. So all of you, into your textbook, sit with the pencils, right? So you also can see where I am reading. So let's start again with paragraph number 4 so that we get to know how we stopped and where we stopped. So yes, this story is the life of about Kalpana Chawla, okay, how she had studied, what all things she has achieved, okay, and what was the tragedy that took place. So 4th paragraph, when asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small city or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else and I followed them. And people who were around me fortunately always encouraged me and said, if that's what you want to do, carry on. So yes, after achieving and getting a job in NASA, as working for NASA, getting training of an astronaut in NASA, what happened when she, in an interview, when she was asked that this was a time of 1994, right, and where women were not given so much of importance, women were not allowed to study, they were not given so much freedom as it is now, right, even right to education and all. And in that time, at that time and that era, she has achieved a lot being a woman. So in the interview, they must have asked her that what do you feel, that how is it that you as a woman you are in this field and how it is to work in this field. So what did Kalpana Chawla replied? Kalpana Chawla said that in working in this field, I never felt like as if I am a woman and I cannot achieve. I never felt that I am from a different country, I cannot achieve. I never felt that I am from a small city and I cannot achieve. She said that I always had a dream like others have and I tried to achieve it and people around me supported me in achieving my dream. This is what Kalpana Chawla said in the interview. And she said that the people around me always said to me that if you really want to achieve this, then carry on. Do not stop for any other reason. Right? So, let's continue now. Kalpana's first space mission in the space shuttle, Columbia, was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. So yes, it was her first space mission, okay, and what was the name given? Columbia. That space shuttle is the name given was Columbia, right? And for how long, what was the duration of her staying in the space? 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. This was the duration that she was in space, okay. Now, during this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. Okay, now what happened when she was in space? How many rounds she took of Earth? 252 times. Yes, and that's almost 10.45 million kilometers. Okay, and in her crew as astronauts, there were the other 2 astronauts with her, and they were Japanese and a Ukrainian astronauts. Okay. Now, the crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. So yes, this crew had performed so many experiments. अच्छा उनको स्पेस में क्यों भेजते हैं? उनको क्या मज़े के लिए थोड़ी भेजते हैं स्पेस में कि आप जाओ जाके स्पेस का चक्कर लगा के आओ, मज़ा आएगा, अच्छा लगेगा? नहीं, they are sent there to find what all things are possible in space. Okay, what other things can be done beyond the earth. Okay, so they go there, they do such experiments and all, and what was the cost of all the experiments they have performed? $56 million. Okay. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was a shock and disbelief. Now, what happened? The space shuttle Columbia, when when they were returning back, it was Saturday, and at night, a news came out suddenly that space shuttle Columbia met a disaster. And what was the disaster? There was a blast in that space shuttle. The town of Colonel spent a sleepless night as thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. And that night, when everyone came to know that there was a blast in the space shuttle, the whole town of Colonel, that whole village, the whole night were sitting to the television. Glued to their television means they were sitting in front of the television and hoping that just now we will get the news. What news? That Kalpana is saved, the other crew members are saved. But what happened? It was a blast in the space shuttle, and that blast was such that no one of the crew members could survive. Okay, and a journalist means the one who writes in the paper, right? So what did a journalist write? A journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything, from biology to astrophysics to aeronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring means her achievements were really amazing, right? And she was a heroine. She was she has achieved a lot for the country, for herself, for her family, right? And at a very small age, it's not easy to become an astronaut, students. It's not that आपने science पढ़ लिया 12 पास हो गया आप astronaut बन जाओगे. नहीं, you have to study a lot. You need to have so much of knowledge. Just like Kalpana Chawla, she was a pilot. She had license to fly so many different kind of planes and everything, right? You need to have a lot of knowledge. She was a PhD, right? She was PhD, and she was really, her achievements were amazing. This is what one journalist had written in the paper. So what we saw that this Kalpana Chawla, she met a disaster, and in that disaster she could not survive. She could not come back from her first mission. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town who touched the skies, had become an inspiration. So obviously, for many girls of that time, she was an inspiration. Yes? Why she was an inspiration? Because at the times when girls were not given importance of education and everything, right, she has achieved a lot. So many girls have learned from her. That yes, if we want to achieve, we can achieve. And Kalpana Chawla, she has touched skies, right? She has touched skies means she has achieved a lot being from a small town. So no matter from which city you belong, no matter from which country you belong, if you have dreams, try to achieve it. In a message that she sent from abroad, the space shuttle Columbia, to students of her college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, see, even from space, she had sent one message to the college students of Chandigarh. And what was the message for the students? She said that the path from dreams to success does exist. She said that the path from dreams to success, it means that if you're dreaming to become a doctor, and if you think नहीं पैसे नहीं है, नहीं मैं पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगा, नहीं बहुत दूर जाना पड़ेगा, that does not help. If you are dreaming, the path of success will be there. It does exist. Okay, may you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it. Wishing you a great journey. So what she said, may you have the vision to find it. It means that may you know, have goals to achieve it. Make goals to achieve your dreams, to get success. And she wished them all the very best. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. So yes, after listening to her message and seeing this tragedy and seeing her achievements, many of them might have started to dream, started to walk on their journey and not being afraid of the obstacles that come in the life. Right, so this was the story of Kalpana Chawla. Okay, and her story teaches a lot to us. What does the story teaches us ultimately? It teaches us that no matter what we have, if we're dreaming, we can achieve it. And how we can achieve it? We have to make goals. We have to not stop ourselves from anything. All right, so all of you, read the lesson once again, and I hope you have understood, you have enjoyed, and you have learned something very good from the story of Kalpana Chawla. Okay, so now next poem, Beauty, that I'll be explaining in our next class. Any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.